we're back for the sleep token themed reaction videos. So for those of you that don't know, I'm Volta Sata, multidisciplinary performer, musician, and music producer for alternative music. And I'm also a Sleep Token fan. Lucky for you, because you're watching a Sleep Token reaction video. So today we're going to be reacting to the new Take Me Back to Eden album. If you haven't already seen the previous video of the actual Take Me Back to Eden reaction video for the music video that is posted already, for the video that was released 4 hours ago, check it out. And if you have and you're here, thank you for joining again. So I'm gonna just pick 3 songs from the album to react to at random. I've only heard the singles that have been released: The Summoning, Chokehold, Granite, can't forget Granite, of course. Actually, I've listened to more than that. I listened to Vor, Akoregi as well. There's, what's it? DYWTYLM that I listened to. It wasn't really so much into my vibe of the song, so it wasn't really my favorite. That's why I don't remember the name. But really loved Chokehold, obviously. I mean, the whole metal world. I mean, not the whole metal world. I think there's a lot of people that really actually hate Sleep Token. So, I mean, the people that like Sleep Token, I think, throughout the internet, thanks to a lot of metal vocalists recording, doing covers of the song, was really popular, went crazy online. Loved it. The Summoning. Okay, come on. I don't even know what I would say was more popular, Chokehold or The Summoning. If I had to guess, I would say The Summoning probably. It's definitely got more metal in it. So I'm thinking, as a Sleep Token fan, if you're listening to Sleep Token, you probably like metal music. And you're probably gonna go for The Summoning over Chokehold. I don't know. I love both songs equally, so I don't know. I wonder which one is more popular. We'll look at the video views later. I'm excited to listen to the rest of the album, but like I said, I'm gonna just pick 2 or 3 songs from it. What am I gonna base it on? Well, I've already listened to Take Me Back to Eden because of the music video reaction video that I've made. So I'm gonna check out Are You Really Okay? Are We Really Okay? And see if I am really okay after listening to this song, because I just like the title. Are We Really Okay? So I guess I'll react to that. The song was like 7-8 minutes. The video is already 8 minutes that I reacted to. So let's go for something shorter, short and sweet. Let's go. Are you really okay? I'm also putting lyrics up so I can also get the vibe of the song from the lyrics too. Especially, it started really quiet. I was not expecting that. I hope I'm gonna be really okay after this song. I like heavier music, so let's not judge. Let's not judge a song by its guitar intro, all right?
Don't
I'm loving the lyricism, and it's really painting you a picture. I'm gonna listen to the rest of the song, but okay, I'm liking the imagery and lyricism. Let's keep going. Very chill vibes, very like not uplifting, but it's light to listen to. I love the songs that like deep lyrics, but also like light to listen to process as well. Yeah. Those are some sick lyrics. You woke me up one night, dripping crimson on the carpet. I saw it in your eyes, cutting deeper than the scars could run. That's intense. That's intense. It's kind of like when you're in a serious situation where something crazy is going on. I don't know if you've been in a similar scenario. I mean, it hits for me, from my own personal experiences, where the actual physical expression of the situation is so little in comparison to the actual effects emotionally and mental that it can create. So the imagery from those lyrics, that's crazy. I like that. Song is slow but powerful. Loving it. And you know, I'm a sucker. I'm into the drums. I'm a sucker for the drums. So I like how that drum came in with that kick as well. That was beautiful. Guitar peeling through. Come on. Hmm. I mean, I guess it could be about many things. I guess my own interpretation of the song, it seems like it's about someone holding space for somebody that's inflicting some kind of self-harm. Could be in many different ways, you know. Self-harm could be in many different ways. But trying to like hold space for this person that you care about, that you love, and that you're concerned about. And maybe the person is saying, yeah, I'm fine, I'm good. And you're like, are you really okay? Are you really okay? You know? Really beautiful song. Really beautiful lyrics and amazing imagery. Like I said, it's a beautiful song. It's giving me kind of like that 90s rock vibe. Kind of loving it. I mean, I definitely would say I do love other songs on the album, but this is still a good powerful song for people that are like kind of like into this kind of pace. It's good. I mean, I wouldn't say anybody's songs are bad. It's just not good for me, but it's good. It's nice song to listen to for a really nice calming moment, pensive, introspective moment for sure as well. Yeah, not bad. Are you really okay? Sleep Token. Where to go next with this album? It would be better if it was like live and I'm like, what song should I listen to next time? I'm a water person. Maybe I should just pick Rain. I'm a water person. I'm gonna go with Rain. All right. For so long I've waited, so long that I almost became just a stoic statue fit for nobody. And I don't wanna get in your way, but I finally think I can say that the vicious cycle was over the moment you smiled at me. Okay, another soft song so far. Drums come through with the come through. Okay, I know it's gonna come through. I always want the drums sooner than they come in. It's my problem. I like it when the songs start off harder. But again, you know, all right. Stoic statue. And the moment you smiled at me, the vicious cycle over. Okay. Let's see. Patience is everything. I give life lessons here. the room. It's almost like that water trickling down in the back. Yeah. You have this element, like the way that this is produced, a specific kind of sound with the like claps, echoes. Okay, I'm seeing this a lot in their songs, not in a bad way, but just like, you know, patterns. It's good, it's good, it's good. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. The rain. Okay. All right, Sleep Token. All right, totally fading out by like 5 minutes at the end. Okay, this song surprised me. I like this song. I genuinely like this song. The other one was like not really up my alley, but this is slowly getting to like up my hill. Definitely a harder song, and I'm definitely loving the sounds of the water. For my own music that I do produce, I like to add elements of water in the back constantly, so I'm really liking, I mean, good choice. We said rain for the water, so rain really worked out. And great to integrate the sound of the rain with the song to have that elemental flow. I liked it. I like the parts that had the like massive breakdown part in it, you know. I like it. Not bad. I don't think I'm gonna review any other songs from the album because that's a lot of songs. But I'm really liking this one, and I really like the lyrics. The mouth of the wolf, the eyes of the lamb so darlingly saturate me, and the repetition also and enunciation of the lyrics too. Not to nerd out too much, I guess, but I just like the like repetition, like I know, like it really like gives you the rhythm with the lyrics as well when there's a repetition too. So I really like that element as well when that came in. Sleep Token is amazing at doing is like imagery. Like imagery is everything with them, I think. And I mean, even in the videos, right? The iconography, like imagery is everything, and really controlling the image that you're creating with the songs, and then with the videos, like helping that imagery feed the power and the magic of the songs too. So yeah, this song definitely does it for me. I love it. I definitely hear myself really, I don't see myself either. I don't hear myself or see myself. I perceive that in the future I will be playing this song a lot with the other songs I love from Take Me Back to Eden, as well as Take Me Back to Eden, as well as the other singles I released with The Summoning. I mean, I think so far from what I've heard, those are my 3 favorite songs from the album. I'm loving the album so far. If you haven't listened to it, I encourage you to listen to it. From what I've listened to of the album, I recommend listening. I will now say this song, so Rain, throw that into the mix. The Summoning, if you haven't heard it, are you under a rock? Okay, so if you haven't heard The Summoning, throw that in there. And for slower listening, definitely Are You Really Okay? And Granite if you're looking for easy listening, but something a little more harder than Are You Really Okay? yeah, those are the four that I would recommend from the album. I will throw Chokehold in there because it's a fantastic song, but I'm giving it an honorable mention just because I've heard it played so many times and covered in so many ways. So listen to Chokehold with these other tracks, but also listen to the other tracks. Don't just listen to Chokehold and The Summoning. Also, don't listen to me. Don't listen to the album if you don't listen to the album. But do what you want. Don't listen to me. Make your own opinion. Listen to the song. React to it. Share with me. Let me know what you think. And if you have listened to it, if you're one of the fans that is like adamant about listening to the song on the day it's released, let me know what you thought of the album, what you thought of the songs that I reviewed, what were your own interpretations, especially of Take Me Back to Eden, of the music video, of the songs. Yeah, let me know what you think. Hope you like this reaction video of Are You Really Okay and Rain from the Take Me Back to Eden Sleep Token album. Let me know if there's other songs that you think that I should take a look at and take a listen to from the album, and I will be happy to give you my feedback on it. And yeah, can't wait to listen to the rest of the album off of camera and react more psychotically, no, and enjoy reacting to it myself. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me here on YouTube. Follow me on Instagram, Revolta Sata, all one word. See you for the next reaction video.